Alright guys, welcome to Google Cloud again. Here we are on Vertex, where I just created a here Colab enterprise, okay? And here are all the libraries I'm using from Vertex, Google Cloud Login, the Vertex language models, generative models, etc. Check this out. Here definitions the product editor, Vertex AI initialization. Alright, create a model. And by the way, I downloaded a PDF, okay, which it brings up here locally to my environment. Just load it using PyMoody PDF loader. So I just loaded the PDF. So I did the clean page of it. All right, it's a function which I pass the page of it, getting all the data I get from the loader. All right, and I just split it using the semantic chunker based on the embedded model, which is test embedding 005, all right? And I just got here, this is the this array, this is a separation of it, so 5 items of it, okay? Just displayed the health code TDs relay, wherever, the task area just displayed all one, all right? Then I created a embedded document using my content, chunk embeddings, using the embedding model, all right? From that, by the way, I downloaded other two BKL files, which are here, just chunk embeddings, all right? There you go. I had the chunk content embeddings, load both of them. All right, this is gonna use later, these two. And by the way, I create a Firestore database, which is New York HIPAA, Colab. And here's the name of the collection I created. So here I'm gonna zip those two contents, all right, the PKLs, all right, and I gotta display the pairs. So display the pairs, okay. So I put into a pairs, and here I'm getting all the pairs, the embeddings in pair and the content, all right. So that's what I did. What we have here, content and embedding, all right. So basically, data's chunk, okay, and the other is vector embedding. One of you guys understood that. And based on that, I here put into the collection to add each one of them, okay? And after that, we're gonna come in here. This is our database in Firestore Studio. There's a panel. Okay, that's the database. That's the chunk that's a query builder. Let's put less data here and let's run our query. There you go. We have a document ID, the chunk, and the vector embedding. There you go. Let's just call it vector embedding. And that's exactly what we can use as use embedding with the Vertex. That's what I'd like to share. Gonna continue the next video. Thanks for watching.